Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I humbly welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Before we move on to the today's topic, I want to say thank you very much for your support to this channel. I really appreciate. So I'm also here to bless you with the most simplest and the easiest way to make 50 to 150 peps every blessed day when it comes to crypto trading, commodity currencies. You can name of them. Once it is a financial market, this concept or this strategy is the easiest way to grab 50 to 150 pips every person. So it's the easiest way. It has been tested, it has been proven that it is worthy, it is reliable to add to your style of trading or your strategy. I personally, I can say it is about 60 to 70% of all the trade normally I pick, which is the simplest way. What is the breakout strategy? The breakout strategy. I know once I say breakout strategy, you say you have watched a lot of breakout strategy on YouTube, but trust me, this is exceptional. This is reliable. It has been tested. It's not like I've go and learn and I want to pour on you. No, I personally use this kind of strategy, and trust me, you're never going to be regret for watching this video. So if you don't know who I am, I'm just Lord, the only son in Africa. You can follow me on IG at just Lord FS. And if this is your first time of meeting you on your screen, please consider the subscribe button, leave your comment below, and also do me a favor, hit the likes button. And I say until then, peace out. Yeah, welcome back to the screen. So as I said, I'm here to bless you with the most simplest and the easiest way to trade breakout. So first of all, when you look on the screen right now or the chart right now, you can see that the market was in uptrend. This is the 2 hour time frame and the market is in uptrend. What do you have to do as a trader? You only look for what? A buy opportunity. You don't have to trade against the trend. The trend is your friend. So now the market is in uptrend. We are going to use this one for example, our first example. So we saw that the market started to create something like falling wedge and started printing highs over here. So to trade breakout strategy, you have to connect all the highs together and extend to the future and see what will happen when the market gets back to the trend line. So this is what we call the trend line. So now we have connected the first one, connected the second one, third, fourth, and the fifth one. And last time somebody asked me, where exactly do you have to place your trend line? So you can see from here, there was no much work around this zone. So in this case, I will take from the body of the candlestick, then I will stand to the future. But when you compare this one to this one, there was a very huge wick. So in this case, I will put my trend line in between the wicks where I will use my trend line to pass through. And when it comes to this small part too, you can see that I also joined the trend line closer to the body. So after you are done with that, you wait and see what will happen below this zone. One, we know that the direction of the market or the directional bias is in the uptrend. So anything that you need to do or you need to expect is to be looking for buy opportunity. And now the market will come back, hit, it will drop, it came back, hit and drop, came back, hit and drop. So there's one clue that the market was about to break above the zone. So now we are doing typical analysis over here. So you can see when you take your trend line below the price, you can see that the market was pushing towards this trend line, which signifies that the selling pressure has reduced. When you check from this side now, all the time there was a lower low, but when it comes to when the price was about to break above the zone, we saw that the market was printing lower high, which was approaching this trend line that we are expecting, because once we know that the market is in the uptrend, we are only looking for buy opportunity. The market was compressing towards this trend line, and we know what happened. The market started to consolidate. And gold, one secret about gold is that when you see that gold is consolidating and you know that the direction of the market is uptrend, you have to think that definitely where the direction is where the market will go. So after that, we saw that there was a very huge break above. So trading a trend line, one secret is about when the market is about to break above, you see that the market will start pushing towards the trend line. Two, you have to also wait for full body candlestick break above and closed. You see, there was one instance over here, there was a wick breaking above, there was a body breaking above. That was 2 hour time frame. But since this candlestick didn't close above, it came below this trend line and close. So this one doesn't qualify. But when you check at this point, there was a full body candlestick break above. So from there, after there is a closure of the candlestick, as a trader, what do you have to do? You hit your buy, you put your stop loss a little bit below the trend line or the previous low. Then you target at least 1:2 is fair enough. First of all, you have to connect and extend. You have to get more than 2 or more 3 touches. You extend to the future. When the body is having small wick, you can take the tip of the body. But when there is a huge or very long wick, you have to use the trend line, half of it, extend to the future. And when the market is about to close either above or below, you can see that the market will be compressing towards the trend line that you drew, hoping that in the near future the market will break above. That was exactly what happened over here. There was a very huge, because there was a compression from there. There was a huge body candlestick break above, and it closes above. Unlike this one, it closes below, but this one it closes above, and from there the market just showed up. There's something happened over here. The market started printing equal highs around the zone. That is why I said, if you haven't watched my support and resistance video, take this opportunity, go back and watch my support and resistance. So you can see that there was a multiple rejection around the zone, which was printing resistance to the price. So after that, there was a huge breakout. The market came back and retest. But we have 2 types of entries. We have aggressive and we have consecutive entry. So in this case, with my strategy, there's no need for me to wait for retest. The moment I see there's a full body candlestick close above, I'll just hit my buy, put my stop loss below. But if you need a confirmation entry, since this one is a resistance, now it has been broken above, definitely it will come back and retest. Then you hit your buy over here. Very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. After you get the correct trend line drawn, wait for break above or below. One, you have to know the direction of the market. Is it in uptrend or downtrend? After you get to know that the market is uptrend, connect your trend line above the price or above the candlestick. Wait to see if there's a full body candlestick break above. From there, when you get the full body candlestick break above, you can hit your buy, put your stop loss a little bit below. Then you go in for 1:2, 1:3, depending on your capacity or depending on your strength. You see, this is what I have for you today. If you have any comments, if you have any topic that you want me to treat, you can leave at the comment section. Please do me a favor and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release a video, you get the opportunity to come and watch. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Just Lord, the only son in Africa. You can follow me on IG at Just Lord FS. And I said, until then, peace out.